Welcome back students. In this video, I'm going to make you understand that if you want to apply multiple GST on different products in a single bill, how to do that. Before we proceed, let me show you few of the items where the GST rates are different. So here you may see there are 5 lists. Most predominantly, it's the third one, which is 18%. However, all the list is being in use. So 0.25 for cut and semi-polished stones, 5% for household necessities such as edible oil, sugar, and so on. 12% is going to be computer and processed food. 18% for hair oil, toothpaste, etc. 28% mostly for luxury items. Let me tell you, in few of the hotels services also 28% of GST is applicable, but I'm going to make a different video altogether for the services. Uh, let's focus on the task in hand. Okay, so first of all, I need to create a company. So I have created a company with the name multiple GST. You may see here. Generally, again, when we create the company, it's asked for the GST feature to be activated. I have not done that. It's going to be the same which we have seen in the previous video, that how to activate the GST feature. Let me do it for you once again. So F11 I need to press. Enable goods and service, yes. From here, I need to give the GST number, sorry. So that's fine. No. Now here, let's say your company is dealing in only one product. So in that case, you may go ahead and set alter GST rate detail. You can set the GST rate detail over here. But if your company is dealing in different kind of products where GST rate is different, so keep it no, go ahead and save it. Fine. Now let me create the voucher for purchase. And here, for the sake of example, I'm going to take two different types of product that would be sufficient for you to understand. Okay, let me go to the voucher and I'm going to press F9. I've done that. So it's coming purchase voucher, supplier invoice number. I'm giving the invoice number, date, fine. Party account name. So I will have to create the party. So Alt C. Here I'm typing Ram Enterprise. It's going to be under sundry cater. Maintain balance bill by bill, yes. Keep it no. Name is going to be Ram Enterprise. State, if it's from that very state you are operating, which is Uttar Pradesh, so keep it as it is. If it's from different state, then select the state. Okay, you will have to provide the GSTN number of that party as well. So randomly I'm tapping the number. Keep it no. Here also, if you have the detail, you can mention. Otherwise, go ahead. It will not make any impact on the voucher that we are creating right now. Okay, purchase leisure we need to create. So Alt C, going to type purchase. Here I'm selecting purchase account. It's going to be not applicable. GST applicable, yes. Set alter, don't set GST detail over here, because for different item it's going to be different. However, type of supply is good. That's what I'm going to mention. Tax classification detail, I'm selecting purchase taxable. Fine. Now name of the item. So let me see the list over here. So what I'm planning to create, let's say on the 18% slab, and I'm creating, let's say, uh, toothpaste first, and second for 5% slab, let's say I'm taking tea. Okay, so first Alt C, let me create the item. So it's going to be hair oil bottle. Okay, so it's going to be in pieces. What's going to be the unit of measurement? It can be in liter also. So it's up to you. Let's say we are selling it on the basis of number of bottles. So units. Alt C, I am taking pieces, and here also I am taking pieces. Okay, now GST applicable, yes. Set alter GST detail, this is very important, you will have to do it, yes. Now it's going to be on value, calculation type is going to be on value, taxability is going to be taxable, and rate here I'm mentioning 18%. Now type of supply goods, fine. Quantity, let's say 1000 pieces of hair bottle we required, and the rate we are going to keep, let's say 200 rupees per bottle. So here we have taken 1000 pieces of bottle, and the rate for each bottle is 200 rupees. So overall amount is 2 lakh, which is coming fine. Next item I'm going to create, which is T, and the unit of measurement I'm going to take as kg, that is kilogram. Formal name you can type. Okay, now here also I'm taking kilogram. Okay, GST applicable. Okay, set alter, yes. On value, and here the rate was 5%. Okay, on value, taxable, and I'm taking 5%. Goods, fine. Now T again I'm taking, let's say 1000 kilo. Rate I'm taking 200. The price is same, that is 2 lakh. So overall price is 4 lakh. Now I will have to add duties and taxes component, because the party is from the same state, so CGST and SGST is going to be applicable. So Alt C, first I'm creating CGST. It's going to be under duties and taxes, GST, and here I'm selecting central tax, and here Alt C, I'm selecting SGST, duties and taxes, GST, I'm selecting state tax. Okay, so that is 23,000. Go ahead and save it. Now you must be wondering that how this has been calculated. In the previous version, means in the VAT sort of structure, when we used to work in Tally, it was quite difficult to go for multiple tax rate, but here it is very simple one. Let me show you by going to the report over here. Okay, so the bottle price overall amount was 2 lakh rupees and T amount was 2 lakh rupees. Here, let me do the calculation. I have already done the calculation, so let me show you. So you may remember here CGST is 23,000 and SGST is 23,000. So overall it's 46,000 GST. And here on 2 lakh rupees amount, 18% GST was applicable. So the calculated amount was 36,000, and on 2 lakh, which was on T, the tax rate was different, that was 5%. So on that, the total calculation was 10,000. So overall 46,000. So it has taken it automatically. You will not have to do anything, and you will not have to worry about anything. So this is how on different, if you need to create different rate of GST in a single invoice, you can do like this. The sales procedure is also going to be same. However, let me show you. So I'm going to voucher once again. For sales, I am selecting F8. Sales voucher is coming. Party account name, Alt C. I'm taking Shyam Enterprise. Okay. It's going to be sundry data. From the same state, GSTN number I am giving. Okay, sales ledger, Alt C. I am creating sales ledger with the name sales, selecting sales account. Not applicable, set alter no. Here I am selecting goods. In the classification, I am mentioning sales taxable. Fine. Name of the item, let's say I'm selecting tea once again, and the quantity is 1000. Now tea we have already created, and the GST rate that we have set over there was 5%. So we have purchased it at the rate 200 rupees for per kilo, and here I'm selling it at 400. Now another, let's say we have created bottle, and hair oil bottle, right? Okay, so again 1000 pieces, and here I'm selling it at 300. CGST and SGST already we have created. I'm selecting CGST, and here I'm selecting SGST. It has automatically calculated on the basis of 5% and 18%, and go ahead and save it. So this is how it need to be done. Based on the transaction that we have done, we may go to balance sheet and can see the profit, and the profit was of 3 lakh rupees. So this is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.